Hey beauties, it's your girl Daisy. Today I have this gorgeous burgundy wig. I'm going to show you how I got this look and these gorgeous curls. So if you are interested, make sure you stay tuned. Today's wig is from a company called Eayon Hair, and this is a cute little box they sent along with some goodies, just a pamphlet on the company, some fashion jewelry, a little cute little clip for your hair, and a wig cap. Also, it comes with an adjustable strap if you like it, and here's some more details of the wig. And here's how the wig looks when you aren't customizing it. This is how it looks straight out of the package. I wanted you guys to get an idea of how it looks, especially if you're looking to purchase this wig. I really like the lace. It's very transparent, as you can see, so it's really easy to style. I already installed the wig off camera, and I'm just going to show you guys how I am opening up that parting space. I'm just making a part throughout the hair and just pulling out the hair, just twisting it on your fingers and pulling it. As you can see, it's not all the way secure in the back, but it's all good. You want to do that before you start styling so you don't mess up the wig. So this wig is a body wave wig, so I am going to put some wand curls in here just to make this hair pop. It really took the curls very well, didn't burn the hair, and it held curls throughout the day. I wore this wig for like 2 days straight, so this hair is A1. I love it. It's very full. It has deep parting space, the whole shebang, and the color looks really good on me. I don't know if you guys can notice, but I had on contacts at first, but I took them out because I'm not sure that it looked good with this look. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think in the description box below. But just make sure you stay tuned and you're going to see how I style this hair. Here is the final look. It looks so beautiful. I'm loving this burgundy color. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section below. I think this will be great for Valentine's Day. This look is just giving me Valentine's slay. Okay. So again, thank you guys for watching, all your support and your love. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button below if you're not already subscribed. I will have more videos coming. And until my next one, later.